The entire state of Oregon will be on a 2-week statewide freeze starting Wednesday, which means no more dining out nor going to gyms. The governor's order is after record high COVID-19 cases. Jack Hirsch spoke to local business owners and got their reaction. Jack?
2020 has already been a difficult year, Lee, and with this freeze occurring right over the Thanksgiving holiday, it could get even worse for some small businesses. Empty tables and stacked chairs will be the norm at Central Oregon restaurants starting on Wednesday.
It's a 2-week pause that I don't think anybody in the hospitality industry didn't see coming.
Stuart Fritchman, the owner of Bellataza, a coffee shop in downtown Bend, says he understands the need for new restrictions, but the timing over Thanksgiving is bad news.
Having this after a slower summer and now sliding into here comes the season where we really need it, I think there'll be a lot of trouble for quite a few places.
As far as the timing goes, it's just, what do you do?
Stephen DRAHEIM is the owner and head chef at BARRIO restaurant, also on Wall Street. While he says the news on Friday was tough to hear, it's not the first time he's faced adversity this year.
We've had challenges all summer, COVID-related, smoke. It's like, we just got to try and stay strong and be nimble.
The new order is going to force restaurants to stack up their seats and resort only to takeout for the time being, and it's also going to force all of Oregon's gyms to shut down. That doesn't exactly sit well with Sisters Athletic Club owner TATE METCALF.
Total gut punch. Health clubs and high-quality clubs like ours, we are not the cause of this situation.
He says the gym has had more than 20,000 visits since reopening and just one case attributed to it. Now he's worried about the lack of financial help.
I just got the PPP in March. When that was 2.5 months of payroll. Well, we're well beyond 2.5 months.
Also part of the order, faith-based organizations are limited to 25 people inside, 50 outside, the closing of both indoor and outdoor recreation facilities, the prohibition of inside visits to long-term care facilities, and private gatherings are limited to just 6 people, inside or out.
I am not asking you, I am telling you to stop your social gatherings.
Anyone caught violating the order could face a Class C misdemeanor, which carries a fine of up to $1,250. For now, the order lasts just 2 weeks.
At least as of now, and if we can get ahead of this and not get to a point that
he didn't even want to consider.
Other states and other parts of the country are, then we'll feel better.
Fritchman told me he has not yet figured out a plan for reducing staffing during the freeze. The Employment Department is calling on the National Guard to help process new claims. Additionally, medical services like dentists are not affected by this order. Retail and grocery stores can have up to 75% capacity. The governor also said that the freeze may last longer than 2 weeks in some parts of the state. Lee?